Hi guys, welcome back to tutorial race, and this is tutorial number 6, which I'm continuing, and this tutorial is regarding PHP MySQL e-commerce website. So far, let's recap it. We have created login page where only the admin can log in and access the admin section. So inside admin section, in this video, I will show you that how we can create a category page. We will create category page and we will add the categories into database, into table. So what we need to do is just go to admin and index.php. This is index.php. Just copy it and then rename it as add categories.php. So now let's open this page and find center section. This is center section. So again we need to create here. This is tr is already there. So in bootstrap we'll write here div and div. So here class call md6 call md6 and then here category name and then category description, but here it will be text field. Category name, input type text, name equal to cat name, and then so first let's check how does it look like. So and also in sidebar.php we will give a link dashboard and then categories, add categories. So here we will write add category dot php. Now I press it, and if I click on this and click on add categories, then this page will open. So in the left side, category name and the text box. So what we will have to do, write again css so that we can control these add categories basically. Here we will write again open custom.css page. This one. It's right here. Say dot center box width equals to 60%, background same color we can give this one, and these things also same. So our class name is center box. So add category, add class center box. In bootstrap there is a beauty of bootstrap that apart from the bootstrap's main css you can also apply your own custom css. So this row is actually the bootstrap class and center box is our custom css which I have added in the same place. Center box. Width. sets sets standard CSS. Somehow it was not loaded. Okay, so this is for so why not add one more column here for heading div class call md. You don't need this class because strong h2 add category. Okay. Suppose you want to display this inside center. Okay, so we can add a class uh, admin txt heading. So let's create a class in admin txt heading. Padding left or margin auto. Admin txt heading. Add category txt heading. Padding left 200. Okay, and one more thing. Yes, fine. So now let's add other fields also. This category name, category description, and category image. And then finally add category. Category description. And this one will text area. Text area and text area. Here name equal to cat dsc. And here after category description will be category image. So here will be input type file. Name equal to cat image. And here input type submit, name equal to submit, and value equal to add category. Okay, so there are category name, category description, and then category image, and finally add category. So in this button, once again we can provide class here, class btn success btn lg btn btn success btn. Okay, okay, so this is your add category button. Now finally let's write code to add category, and also we need to write here form method post name add category action same page. In this page where it's closing, we have to find it's closing here. So before that the form will be closed, and finally we need to write here code for inserting the data. So we need to include one more thing, and that is db connect. Apart from this, other PHP db connect.php. So if $_post $_post here need to write $cat name equals to $post cat name cat $cat dsc equal to $post cat dsc $cat img equal to $files. To get the file to fetch the file names, we are writing here $files. Then our file name is get image or img get image. So I write here get image and then name. The image is passed as two-dimensional array. That is why we need to write here get image and then name. And then we write code for inserting the data. But before that, we need to write code for uploading image. Let's try to insert ins insert into categories. The table which we have already created here, you can see categories, this table. So we will require cat name, cat description and cat image. So insert into categories and then cat name, sorry, categories and then cat name, cat dsc and then cat cat name, cat dsc, cat image. So these fields we require here. Then values cat image. So these fields we require. Then dollar query equal to MySQL query and then dollar con and then dollar ms. Okay, but remember one thing, that to upload image you need to write here in the form enc type multi part form data, because the image is uploaded as binary format. That is why we need to write this multi-part form data. Only then uploading of image is possible. And also we have not written so far the code to upload the image. I will write that later. But first check if the name is at least going or not. We will write here code for uploading the file. Move. Remember, I am not writing here the validation of image, like file type, file size. These things I'm not including here. You can include that later. So here will be dollar files tmp name and then cat image. And then here will be folder name, upload or images slash and then uh, dot dollar cat image. So this is the folder where the image will be uploaded. And remember, the image will be uploaded in the user side and not admin. That is why I'm writing here double dot. That means it will be outside of admin. So let's create one folder in outside admin. Here, images. Okay, so the file should upload here. Now let's check if everything is working fine or not. Then okay, so here I'm writing say garments. This is garments description. And then let's upload any image. There might be some file, say jeans, this one. Try to add this. Okay, so undefined TMP, actually MB. Okay, actually I made a mistake here. It will be $files get img and then t tmp name temp name. Okay, so here will be this cat img, and this folder name, and this one is cat img, this one, the name of the image, first the folder name and the name of the image, and here cat img and then temp name. Now let's try to upload image. Jeans, then description here. Finally, jeans. There is an image. Now add category and check if the image is uploaded or not. Yes, image is successfully uploaded here. And let's check if the check into the database if the data is inserted or not. So database is not inserted, that means there is something wrong in insert code. So let's echo here and see what is the wrong. Let's copy this and go to SQL and then paste here. Go. So unknown column cat DCSC. Now the column name is food cat description. That is why. So I need to write here cat description. CRIP cat description. So that might be the reason that it's not uploading. Now try to refresh and check it's inserted or not. Yeah, inserted perfectly. One more thing missing, and that is parent ID. So why we are using here parent ID? I have created a different video for this, that how parent and main category works. So the link is given below in YouTube. So in under this video in description section. So please check that video so that you can understand that how parent and uh, main category ID and parent ID works. But still, I would like to just explain here. Suppose you have main category, say you have one main category, say garments. Under garments, there are two more categories, uh, men's category and women's category. So in this case, in main category, the parent ID will be the ID of garments category. Okay. So in this case, in our example, what we will do, just add one more thing. Just remove this echo first, and then in the form section, let's add one more part. Description. Here under the cat name or before the cat name, here we can give select parent category, or simply parent category. Here will be drop down box. So it will be like select section, select and select, then option and option. So its name will be parent ID, and then here will be parent category. Its ID will be value 0. In the rest of the options value, we will have to show list of the categories that we have created so far. Let's see. Right here query $cell select star from categories dollar cat query dollar on sale. Now while dollar rows fetch array, and then here will be PHP curly braces close. Okay, value HP echo dollar row and cat ID, and here will be cat name. So let's see one more thing. Here will be dollar cat query. Now let's check line number 84. There is something wrong, that's why it's showing error here. Start from categories, cat query, MySQL query, cell, and then while MySQL fetch arrays, fetch array, cat query. These things, these were the bugs. Finally, now it's showing. Since we have added one category called jeans, that is why it is showing here jeans. So if you don't select anything, that means the parent ID will be. So to understand it better, let's do one thing. I'm deleting this. So first it will be, there is no category, it's supposed to be parent category, so I'll write here garments, and then garments, and then let's add any other image, bootstrap logo maybe thing. Okay, so this is our parent category, right? Let's check here, that's uploading. Okay, there is something wrong because it's showing here cat image rather than the image name. So let's check what's there. Okay, I didn't actually write here dollar sign, that's why it's showing. That should work fine. Okay, so okay, now inside garments, I write men's category, and then jeans. Get img actually. Get, that's why I'm getting this error. So two categories are added, men's category. Let's delete one. Actually, I'm not provided validation here. That is why. Okay. So also there is one more thing, that in under men's category the parent ID is not going there because we have not yet written here parent ID. So dollar parent ID equals to dollar underscore post parent ID. Now it should work. So I'm deleting this main. Let me add again. Under garments, writing men's. See, men's category. And then let's select any image, add category. Now let's see if it came on. Yeah, the image is also coming perfectly, as well as parent ID is still missing something, still. Yeah, because here too we need to write parent ID, as well as we have to give here dollar parent ID. Once again, let's delete this men's category and check again. Yeah, so I think you now understand the parent ID is 2. That means if these two matches with this category ID, so 2 is the parent ID of men's category. Again, suppose I want to add a shirt, okay, and this shirt will be under men's category, and see shirt category. So I'm giving some other image name here, giving something else. Okay, now let's add here under men's. Now let's see here that how this works. So you can see here men's is child category of garments category, and shirt is child category of men's category, because this ID matches with its ID. That is why this way you can maintain as many as subcategories you want. You don't have to create any other table. With a single table, you can maintain child and parent category easily through this way category and parent category. That is why I have given here this concept of. So you have seen how uh, add category works, and in the next video I will show you that how you can display the list of the categories you have added. And also you will later learn how to edit and delete this category. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.